displaying on the screen, I am displaying the properties of liquid over here. Properties of liquid. Liquid has definite mass, so all the matter will have mass. Mass, every matter, it may be gaseous, it may be gas, it may be liquid, or it may be solid. They have a mass. They have a definite mass, and a volume. Volume will be there, but no shape. So liquid do not have any shape. They they occupy the shape of the container. If it is kept in a bottle, it acquires the shape of the bottle. If it in a bucket, it the shape of the bucket. If it will occur, it will take a shape of the pot. You know it already. So a bottle filled with the water, if it is kept in a freezer, it will get solid. See, a bottle shape ice there. The whatever the water is present, if it get converted that is solid, so it will acquire the shape of the solid itself. That's a to say that liquid do not shape. Okay. Intermolecular space is more solid. This also we have studied. Intermolecular space ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು? Now is it clear? Voice is clear now? For some of you it is clear. For some of you it is little disturbance. It may be that because of your network problem. I have a sufficient network over here. I have sufficient network over here. No issues. Okay. Yeah. Next, atoms or molecules are freely arranged compared to solid. If you compare to solid, atoms present in the liquid are freely arranged, not so compactly arranged. Because of that only, we can cut the water. Means cut the water in the sense that a swimmer will dive in a water. A swimmer will dive in a water and he will separate the water. So when he dives, he cuts the water. He cuts the water and he will jump inside the water and he enters the water. In inside the water also he can swim very easily because of that, because of the properties of the liquid. They have more intermolecular space. The kinetic energy is more, less attractive force between the atoms. All these property provides a swimmer or a people who dive in these property will helpful in swimming in the water. Liquid flows, liquid always it flows. It exhibits a flowing property. Can you see here in the screen? I have written over there. Liquid flows. Liquid shows flowing property, and liquid shows diffusion. If you put a small amount of ink in a glass of water, slowly the ink will spread to whole water present in the container or glass. Slowly it will it is called as diffusion. It's called as diffusion. So compared to solid, liquid have low density. Say a glass of, if you take a glass of water and you put a piece of iron, iron sinks in the water. Iron will sink in the water. Why? Because density of iron is more compared to the water. Understood? So compared to solids, liquid have less dense. So solid density will be very high. Density, mass per unit volume. Mass per unit volume is called as density. It's called as density. So should I already explained about the Now it is clear. Is it clear now? Okay. So yesterday we have learnt about the properties of liquid. Write it down. Those who are not written it, write it. Or take a screenshot and write it afterwards. Take a screenshot. Display the screenshot, and after to check. Monday you are coming to the class now. You are coming to the school, and we will check. I'll check it in the class itself. Is it clear? Am I audible now? I hope voice is clear now. Okay. So next, properties of gases. Properties of gases. So we'll see the properties of gases now. Definite mass. All the matter will have definite mass. Similarly, gases have a definite mass. Mass ide irutte. Ella matter igu mass ide irutte. But gases do not have definite volume and shape. Volume, definite volume irudilla gas ge. That's why gases, transportation of gases becomes very difficult. Transportation of gases becomes very difficult because of that huge volume. A definite volume is not there. See, 1 kg of you see, just compare 1 kg of iron and 1 kg of oxygen gas. The volume occupied by the gas is more. The space taken up by the gas is more compared to the solid. That's why we cannot transport the gas easily. Gases are transported by converting them into liquid. Usually gases are transported by converting into liquid. Okay. I hope it is clear to you. Any doubt till here? Any doubt? So you can see the properties of gases over here, properties of liquid over here. So first point, second point, third point.
Sir, this property should write it.
I'm not able to hear you. Who is this?
Sir, properties fair notes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು.
Fair notes al beda. Write it in workbook. Whatever I display on the screen, you have to write it in fair note. Workbook. Workbook al ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay. Is it clear? So B class student especially see this. A class already we have finished. We have already finished up the properties of gases for A class. Yeah. Yes or no? So gases apply pressure on all direction. For B class, Akshay Agde belong to which class? Akshay Agde? A class. My dear, this point yesterday I discussed in the class. I didn't miss that point. Already discussed in in the class. You have not we are not attentive, I think. Gases apply pressure in all direction. Already it is discussed in the class. Okay. Yeah. Gases have is high. So compared to solid, molecular space between the masses is very high. Intermolecular is too high because gases will flow. The flowing, understood? Gases or air. If we take, it flows. Okay. Intermolecular space between the gases will be more. And attractive force. If you take the attractive force, so in between the atoms are molecules of gases. The attractive force between the molecule is very less. Because of that only they have more kinetic energy. The kinetic energy of gases is very high because of the low attractive force. When the attraction force between the atoms or molecules is less, the kinetic energy. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth point. Fifth point I have given. Gases have more kinetic energy. Means gases, when they are in motion, they have a huge kinetic energy. So about breaking of voice, Varshita is telling, sir, okay. Prarthana is telling, now it's not clear. For everyone it is same, or for some it is happening? Am I audible to everyone? Okay. It's clear. For some it is having a problem because of your network problem, I think, my dear. So for some of, so my network is very clear over here. Maybe your network problem it is. Okay. Voice is clear. I am getting the message that stating that voice is clear. Gases. See, next point, gases. Compared to solid and liquid, gases have still low density. Their density is very low. Why the density is very low? The mass per unit volume is very less. Mass per unit volume less means in more volume, less number of atoms are present. In more volume, less number of atoms are present. In more volume, in more space, less number of atoms are present. Because of that, density becomes very low. So that is the last point we have discussing in this page. So I'm going to the next page. I'm going to the next page now. So first, see, next point, gases apply pressure in all direction. Gases apply pressure in all direction. In all direction, gases. So kinetic energy, give example. Varshita is telling what example I should give. So gases will flow. Other example, gases flow agatte, air flow agatte, air will blow. So air is a mixture of many gases. So blowing air is called as wind. Blowing air is called as wind. So wind is having kinetic energy. That is the example. Is it clear, Varshita?
Sir, Dvirup, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah.
Sir, kinetic energy of gas is based on temperature or what, sir?
So now see, without temperature also they move. No?
Yes, sir.
Gases will apply pressure on all directions.
Yes, sir.
So gases, you not need not to give temperature. It will flow direct. It will flow without temperature. Means a small amount of temperature enough to flow.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
If you increase the temperature, kinetic energy increases again.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Varshita, is it clear to you? Varshita Naik. You were asking the example
Sir.
for kinetic energy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you then. Yeah, gases apply pressure on all directions. See, gases when they are filled in a cylinder, gas when it is filled in cylinder, it will apply the pressure on all the direction. Understood? A bottle. So you think that a gas is filled in a bottle. It applies pressure downwards. It applies pressure side also, left side and right side, and it applies the gases applies the pressure on top also. Oh, like that. You think gas is present in a bottle. Inside the bottle, gas applies pressure all direction equally. All direction equally. That is the one of the identifying feature of the gas. Identifying feature of the gas. Gases are highly compressible. Anaga, can you tell me what is compressibility? Anaga?
Sir?
Can you tell me what is compressibility?
What, sir?
What is compressibility? What is compressible?
What is?
What is compressibility?
Sir, decreasing of mass per unit value. Decreasing of mass.
You are telling us about density. I am asking you about compressibility. Gases are highly compressible. What is the meaning of this sentence?
Sir, they can compress it easily.
No, that all you are telling the same sentence. I am telling you what is that actually what is the advantage of compressibility?
Sir, we can transport gas in a very easy form by converting it into liquid.
Gases can be converted into liquid very easily. Gases can be converted into liquid very easily because gases are highly compressible. Yeah, Gautam, tell me. Gautam? Gautam Hegde?
Sir, that answer which Anak told.
Yeah, tell me.
Gases are compressible because they can be turned into liquid easily.
Yeah. Say, already your friends told, two of them, Anaga
Yes,
and
sir.
Gautam told that gases are highly compressible. Andre ಏನರ್ಥ ಅಂದ್ರೆ gases can be converted into liquid very easily because they are highly compressible. Highly compressible. Okay, intermolecular space ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ when you apply the pressure and decrease the temperature, when you apply the pressure simultaneously decrease the temperature, the gases are converted into liquid state. Gases are converted into liquid state. Gases are converted into liquid state. So this is known as gases are highly compressible. Yes, what happened? Anaga, tell me.
Sir, as the mass per unit value decreases, temperature also decreases, no?
Yeah, because temperature decrease ಆದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ತತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ.
Sir, while converting gas into liquid.
Yeah, that all I am telling you. You have to reduce the temperature. Temperature decrease ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Temperature ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅದು. Temperature decrease ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank
Sir,
you.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Okay.
ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next is change in state of matter. Is it clear? B class student, B class students, have you understood the properties of gases? Have you understood the properties of gases? Okay, somebody tell me what are the properties of gases? Who will tell? Bhaskar, tell me the properties of gases. Anaga don't. I am asking Bhaskar. Who is Bhaskar? Speak to me. Yeah, Dinesh.
Gas has
Dinesh Agade.
definite, yes sir, gas has definite mass but no definite volume and shape. Intermolecular
Okay.
space is high. Attractive force
Okay.
between the molecular is very less.
Okay.
Gases show the property of diffusion. Gases
Okay.
have more kinetic energy. Gases have low density. Gases supply pressure in all direction, and gases are highly compressible.
Very good. Very good. What is diffusion? Sahana. Who is this Sahana? What is diffusion?
So
Sahana,
diffusion
can you
means
tell me what
moment.
is diffusion?
Diffusion means movement of molecule from region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay. So I hope you understood the properties of gases. So again, you are coming to the school on Monday. Again, we are going to revise this and start the next concept of the lesson. Okay. So next concept of the lesson, that is change in state of matter. Change in state of matter. So we can change the state of the matter. We can change the solid to liquid, or gases to liquid. We can the state of matter. The factor which helps in change in state of matters are majorly two factors will help to change the state of matter. First one is temperature, second one is pressure. Is it clear? So for A class student, this is also over actually. This also we have completed. So it's a revision for you. For A class, it's a revision. For B class, it is a new concept. For B class, it is new concept. Kindly concentrate. Understood? Temperature. So when you increase the temperature means what? Temperature is a degree of hotness. Degree of hotness is called temperature. How much heat is absorbed? How much heat is absorbed by the object? ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೀಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. The amount of heat energy absorbed by the substance is called temperature. So SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. SI unit of temperature. In temperature is measured by another unit that is Celsius. Celsius is a one more unit. Celsius is a one more unit. What is SI? SI So SI is the standard, international standard. It is international standard ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ. So international standard ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Yeah, what is the doubt? Anaga.
Sir, why Kelvin scale starts from 273 Kelvin?
So that we'll discuss later, huh? So you will learn in higher classes about that. There is a equations for that. Equations
Okay.
are there. So Celsius. So there are three units actually. As you are exactly right. So Kelvin scale start from 273. But you will learn in higher classes about that. There is a lot of equations to derive that why Kelvin is 273. Okay.
Okay, sir.
ಮೂರ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 3 types of units are there of unit heat. So one is Kelvin, one is Celsius, one is Fahrenheit. For everything there are the equations on derived on the equation it is. Okay. So that we will discuss it later about Celsius and Fahrenheit. Kelvin. How to convert. What is calorie? Calorie is a amount of heat. It tells about energy, consumption of energy. Consumption of energy. So nowhere it is related to this chapter, my dear student. Who is this Anaga? What is calorie? Again, one more question he is asking. So calorie is nothing but amount of energy consumed. What is third one? Okay, Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Kelvin, Celsius and Fahrenheit. See, in COVID situation, your temperature was measured. Actually, in COVID situation, your temperature were measured actually. What is the normal temperature of the body? Human body. -34°C. 34. It is wrong, my dear. Anaga, it is wrong, not 34. 37°C is the right answer. So Inchara is telling 37°C. 37°C is the right answer. In degree Celsius, it is 37°C. Who is this? 437. 37°C is a right. And 98. Akshay Hegde is 98. 98 is in Fahrenheit. See, 98 in Fahrenheit. Yeah, in Fahrenheit. Understood. So that difference will be there. So you remember about the Kelvin and Celsius for time being. That's enough. Okay. So 37°C is Celsius is a normal temperature of human body. With that temperature, our body will work normally. Understood. So we'll come back to our syllabus. So temperature is a one factor which will help in the change of state of matter. Understood. So one example I have given over there. See, a solid. There is a solid is, if you provide heat to a solid, when you heat the solid, what happens? So in the solid, the attractive force will be very high. When you heat it, temperature rises. When you heat the solid, temperature rises. When temperature rises, the attractive force between the molecule become less. Attractive force between the molecule will become less. Is it clear? So when you provide heat to the solid, temperature rises. Temperature rises. When temperature rises, the attractive force decreases. The attraction between the molecules or between the atom decreases. When the attractive force between the molecule decreases, the intermolecular space or the space between the two atom increases. Space between the two atom increases. ಎರಡು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So intermolecular space between the atom increases. When intermolecular space between the atom increases, there is an increase in kinetic energy. Kinetic energy ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ intermolecular space ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹೀಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಹೀಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, the molecules move away from each other. Molecules move away from each other. See, next point I have written. Kinetic energy increases. So Pranatis, I'm telling stepwise, just follow the stepwise. I will tell you. Definitely it will convert into liquid only, no doubt. After providing complete heat, it will turn to liquid. But at a time, whole liquid will not turn. The whole solid will not turn into liquid. Step by step it happens. Just go through the schematic representation I'm displaying on the screen. Solid, to solid, when you provide heat, the temperature rises. When temperature rises, the attractive force between the molecule decreases. When the intermolecular, because of that, the intermolecular space increases. When intermolecular space increases, the kinetic energy also increases. So they get more kinetic energy. When they get more kinetic energy, the molecules move away from each other. Molecules move away from each other, and the solid is converted into liquid state. Solid is converted into liquid state. So the conversion of solid into liquid state is called dash. So A class student, what is that? Conversion of solid into liquid state is called melting. Akshay is telling melting. Very good. Sumuk, melting. So conversion of solid state into liquid state. Conversion of a matter into liquid state. Solid to liquid state is melting. It's called melting. So we'll go to the next page. Next page I will share you. Yeah, melting process. Say melting. Conversion of solid state into liquid state. Conversion of solid into liquid state is called melting process. Melting process. Is it clear? Write it down. So sorry, wait. So this already written. So write it. I hope you have written this. Otherwise, take a screenshot. Take a screenshot so that you can write it afterwards. Take a screenshot of this page. Have you taken a screenshot? Take a screenshot so that you can write it afterwards. Okay, thank you. So I'm going to share the next. Yeah, I'm going to share the next page. Melting, see, melting process. Melting process. Conversion of solid to state is called conversion of solid state into liquid state is called melting. See, melting, that process is called as melting. Melting process anta ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. Melting process. Melting process. Write down this or take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Yeah, I hope you have taken the screenshot. So melting is nothing but conversion of a solid into liquid state is called melting. It's called melting. Okay. So what is melting point? See, every solid will have melting point. Every solid will have some melting point. Every solid
Yeah,
will
sir.
have melting point. Yeah. Who is this? Not
The
visible.
temperature at which
Wait,
the
Anaga,
temperature
wait.
at which
This is Anaga, no? Wait here. Some problem is here. Wait, some time, wait. Some are telling it's not visible. Some are telling it is visible. Don't worry, I will send it to the group also. Whatever the notes I'm displaying here, I will send it in the group also. Okay. If it is visible, take a screenshot. If it is not visible, don't worry. I will send it to the group. If it is not visible, means you just tell me. I'll send it to you only. Okay. Now it is visible. Okay. Very good. So take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Okay. So see, every solid will have some melting point. Understood? So every solid, if you take ice is also solid. Water when it is available in solid state, it will have a melting point. That is melting point of ice is 0 degree Celsius. Melting point of ice is 0 degree Celsius. Melting point of ice is 0 degree Celsius. See, like that, every melting point. If you take iron melting point is around 2000, more than 2000 Kelvin. More than 2000 Kelvin. Iron melting point. Industries actually iron will melt iron and make some different products by melting only. Understood? And gold, if you take gold, jewelry shop people or those who work in jeweler, or when we are making the jewels, gold ornament, when we are making gold ornament, so we will melt the gold first. Melt the gold and make it as a gold bar. Then they use it for different making different jewelries by melting it. And Miss Gold is having a certain melting point, silver is having some melting point, aluminum is having some melting point. So there are some material which do not have melting point also, like glass do not have specific melting point. No, stone is not having a melting point, because stone is a mixture of many compounds. That's why it do not have a definite melting point. Glass melting point. So plastic again do not have definite melting point. ಗ್ಯಾಸಿಗೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಮೆಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೇಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಐಸ್ಗೆ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮೆಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ತರ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಟೆಲ್. ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಮೆಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. But iron having a proper melting point. Understood? So I don't know, but it is more than 2000 Kelvin, 2800 Kelvin something. And that temperature only it will convert into that only I told, do not have specific melting point. So some of the solids will have certain melting point, definite melting point. Some of the solids do not have definite melting point. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಮೆಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ? A class student, can you tell me? Or any student? Yeah, tell me.
Sir, may I?
Anaga is telling Yeah, Anaga, speak.
The temperature solid start melting is called melting point.
It's a temperature. Melting point is a temperature at which a solid converts to liquid state. Yeah, Sumuk. Sumuk, you want to tell the answer, please?
It is a temperature at which the solid turns to liquid state.
Very good. As your both of the friend Anaga and Sumuk told, it is exactly right. Melting point is nothing but it is a temperature. It is a temperature at which a solid turns to liquid state. Solid turns to liquid state. In a previous page, I have displayed how the process of melting happens. How the process of melting happens actually. Yeah, it's a temperature at which a solid turns to liquid state. Mentioning in the chat. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Is it clear? Conversion of solid to liquid state. How the temperature affects the change of state. This is how the temperature affects the change of state. Change of state. Is it clear? Yeah, all are telling yes, sir. Okay. If you have doubt, Monday you are coming to the class, you can ask the questions over there. So till here, so till melting point we have learned. Next part of the lesson, that is boiling point, latent heat of vaporization, evaporation. We will study in the class on Monday. Is it clear? So for today, we'll end up the session. So today's session we'll complete it. Thank you very much for attending the class. So in 75 members, only 45 members have joined the class. Okay then. Thank you very much, children. Have a nice day. So one more class will be there. Attend that attend the one more class also. I don't know which subject it is. So have a nice day. Take care. Please practice the diagram and as well as read whatever is taught today. Whatever is taught today, please revise it so that Monday I will ask the question in the class. We can answer the questions easily. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.